Oh, we ain't playing no games. We just got this off the mail truck, so let's go ahead and unpackage this real quick. Open this up so you can see what these look like. They so fresh and they so clean. Ooh, wee. Let's go. We're gonna start this a little different. We're gonna go ahead and cut out our stencils, get that all laid out and ready for when we're gonna put these on the shoes later on. So when I tell you I done did hundreds of customs already, and me going through adding stencils after stencils on stuff like this, I was having a hard time trying to get these stencils cut out to fit perfectly on these shoes, but after some time, we sized them right and we got them going the way we needed them to. So that's the part that you're seeing now. You ain't even have to leave yet. We already got to the stencil part, and that's already later. You probably sitting there looking all nappy headed, ready to scroll. But anyway, like this video before we even get started, and go subscribe if you haven't. If not, don't matter. We still gonna keep posting for y'all. So right now we laying down our stencil. We taking our time, making sure everything is right. After that, we're going to heat set. That way our stencil lay down properly, and then we can move on to get to painting, the part that you really want to see. So personally, I like to heat set my stencil because I don't want any overspray or underspray as I'm painting, airbrushing, or using a paintbrush. But you know, like your nappy hair at times when it's sticking up and stuff like that, you use a blow dryer so you can heat it up, get it straight again. Yeah, that's kind of like the same thing with my shoes designs and these stencils. We don't want no edges peeling up or anything like that because that's why we want it perfectly. We want it laying down. So now that we got this taped up a little bit, I'm gonna go finish off the rest of this off camera. That way we don't have any overspray when we use our airbrush or our paintbrush. So now for the most satisfying part of getting to pull the stencil back, that how comb used to run through your hair. It's almost like a beautiful sight to see. We're right at the end of peeling off these stencils, like how you used to want to smack that little red-headed stepchild, but you know you couldn't. Having these to come out clean is such a rewarding feeling. I want you to try some yourself. Don't heat set or anything like that. Peel up the stencil and see how it comes out. I can't express this enough. There's times where you just cannot airbrush. You're gonna have to sit down, get your paintbrush out, and just paint. It's smooth, it's soothing at times, and I love it. Or you will too if you try it. So I remember a few years back, there was a few customers I know. The only thing they would do is airbrush all the time. They never hand painted. I don't know if they was very good at it or if they just didn't even want to try. But you got two hands, so you might as well put in that work, right? Learn. Even if you got some brush strokes or something like that, still do it. Because practice makes perfect.